Hello guys, welcome once again to Traders Delight. How have you been and how's been your trading sessions? And hope you have been getting amazing results from all the trading strategy I've been uploading. You are welcome, especially if this is your first time seeing my channel. I welcome you. I encourage you to subscribe right now and then turn the notification bell on so that once I upload the next strategy, you are alerted immediately to get value from it. Okay guys, we are still going in the 10 days trading strategy that we started, and today is strategy 3, the third strategy. I hope you guys enjoyed the last two strategies. They were amazing, and you can keep using them. You're going to get amazing results. So today we are not going to be using any indicator window here. We're just going to be using one indicator, and I want to explain something to you. You might not have noticed this, but it is amazing. Okay, now we are going to be using an indicator called the Ichimoku, and I'm going to explain when we are using the indicator settings, how you can put in your settings properly so that you can get exactly the same result as I get when I use it. Now, the beauty about this is that Ichimoku is a strong indicator that uh, helps you to achieve quite a number of things when you use it. So what you just need to do is to follow instructions when you are using it, especially on your main chart, so that with that you can achieve a lot of results. Now, if you notice that in the indicator in the main chart, in the Ichimoku, you can see some clouds. You can see the purple cloud, you can see the orange cloud, purple and orange cloud. Now you can also see the red line and the blue line. So you can see the clouds and the red line, blue line. Now, what is the strategy for entry? Before I go and show you what the settings is, now when you see the chart, when you look at the chart, take for example, look at here, the price is above the clouds. Now when you see the price coming towards the cloud, number one, and then you see the red line cross below the blue line, where you can see the blue line above the red line. That's number one. That's your first indicator, first indication, what you want to first of all look out for. Once you have seen that, you are on your way. And then the next one you want to wait for is for price to break down, to close below this cloud. So price needs to cross this cloud. So you can see how price cross the cloud. So once this is done and price crosses this cloud, good, you can just enter immediately on the next candle opening, and then you take your trade. Now you can either scalp this, or you use your stop loss and take profit. Now listen, the zoom level, you can see I use the zoom level 1. Okay, so use zoom level 2 rather. Sorry about that. I use the zoom level 2, so you can use the zoom level 2 for it. So you first of all watch out for this cross. This cross must happen. This must happen. The red must cross below the blue, and then the price must cross below the cloud. So once this is achieved, you can enter the very next candle and start to take your trade. Now I want to explain the two. Take for example, if you want to scalp, just take, since it's 5 minutes, just take 5 to 10 candles and you're out of the market. This is 5 minutes. But if you want to use your stop loss, I recommend you can use your risk reward ratio of 1:2. So you risk 1 and you take 2. So what you want to do is that if this is your entry, all right, so where should your stop loss be? Your stop loss should be somewhere here. Are you getting it now? It should be above that blue line, and then you can then use twice the the result. So if you like, if from here to here, let's just check it. From here to here, you can see it's 34. So that means what you want to take is 34 times 2, which is 68. All right. So 68 will be somewhere here. Hold on. That's 34 times 2, 68. 68 is somewhere here. All right. So that's 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 2, 7, 6. So let me just put an horizontal line there so you can see when you say 1, 2, 2, 7, 6. So that is 1:2. You risk that one, and then you take. You can see that it just went down. You can see this just went. This is your risk. This is your stop loss. So maybe you just crossed. You have your entry. Put your stop loss here, and then you just took. You can see just went here, and then once you reach here, you have gotten to your. It still went down, but I recommend you just use 1:2, so you'll be out of the market. So if you cannot use this, if you are not used to this, just take 5 to 10 pips. You are just leave the market. If you do multiple, you'll be profitable. All right. So let's go now to the settings of this strategy, and then you can start making the market very well. So you can see just one, or just click here, click the F plus here for the main chart, and then you have the Ichimoku. Now this is the Ichimoku settings. The Tekkin Sen is 9, the Kinju Sen is 26, the Senko span B is 52, and then you click this field. Please remember to click this field, because if you don't click this field, you will not get the clouds. All right, and you need the cloud, so you click this, and then now the style setting. For the Tekkin Sen, you use 3 pixel, and then use color red. That's the color red. That's the red line. The Kinju Sen is 3 pixel. Color blue is the blue line. You can see this is red and the blue line. Now the up Kumo is the same thing as the up cloud. Kumo is another word for cloud. It's a Japanese word for cloud anyway. So this is up Kumo. This up cloud is brown. This is down Kumo, which is down cloud, is what? Purple. Now look at this one. This could have been a confusing one here, but I closed it out. The Ichimoku span, I used 1 pixel, and I use my background color because I don't want it. Normally in a default setting for Ichimoku, it's always a green line, but we're not using it in this strategy. That's why I blurred it out here using the black color. So use the color of your background. All right, don't use the color of something that will make it show. You want to make it so if your background is black, use black. If your background is white, use white. All right, guys. So with that, you are good to go. You can see it's very simple strategy, simple indicator, but very powerful. Very powerful. You can milk the market a lot from here. So guys, please like this video so you can go viral, and then subscribe if you're not subscribed, and then turn notification bell on, because more amazing strategies are coming. All right, guys, take care. See you in the next strategy.